Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy hagash pautrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuay kalaraki ya ka World Homeopathy Day kabadairu ka sngi ba ka perthai baro kaway ka kanma buram ya ka lengko sngi ka ba ars pa hunreu snam jong u Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahiman ubalong unong syam ya kidawai homeopathic kibalong kidawai ba kibreu hakaleng ka perthai ki jupendan kam habaki pang ki shitam. Hagani ka sngi don langru u Director Barim jong ka National Institute of Homeopathy, Kolkata, u Professor Dr. Samir Kumar Bhattacharya, u balong u kongsan harengkat ka jingidon lang jong u Director ka NEA, u Professor Dr. P.K. Goswami, nang tadi u Dr. Pradyumna Goswami, u balong u nongkren bakerpang, haka jingrekhe yagani ka sngi, lembat ki way ki nongsha khot ngobha.
There is a paradigm shift in education of medical sciences. And there is some basic problems, and these are equally applicable to all pathies, whether it's allopath, ayurveda or homeopath. And if we do not address these issues, no system can deliver. Because when we are thinking the society-based learning or problem-based learning, or when we are going to address the community in the healthcare system, there are certain basic qualities has been needed. And why I am raising these issues? Because last 1 year, we have been very actively involved to tackle these certain issues related to COVID-19. And I myself have been monitored 5 projects here, and 1 each from Homeopathy Ayurveda for prophylaxis. So question arises, is any medicines of homeopathic system of medicines, in what concentration, what dilation we are going to prescribe, and if it did have a not general concept among the practitioners, among the students and young learners, and according to the certain need of the demand of the situations, according to the severity of the diseases, characters of the diseases, or certain parameters of the patient itself. And that is the point where basic parameters of chemistry is highly essential.
You people must have skill on your subject. You people must have skill how to dealing with patient, how to deal with the corporate sector, how to deal with MR. You people must have skill. Hard skill as well as soft skill. You people must have a training hand. That means 2 doctors are there, surgeon is there, 2 surgeons are there. But their capacity to do work, that means which one is good, which one is better, will be selected by the society by their works, not by their degree. By their works, not by their degree. And secondly, we people generally don't have the tendency to go towards behind the entrepreneurship development. I am saying to our students, why are you running behind the MO? If you have 5 bighas of land at your own, 3-4 students combine and they start a medicinal plantation. And you start supplying that medicinal plantation to the Himalaya, to Patanjali, to Assam Ayurveda, etc. Why not you are going behind it like that? In Assam, one person is there, I think now, name was Pathak. Which Pathak? Ki Pathak asil? Pankaj Pathak. He don't have a scientific knowledge. Scientifically, he is not acquainted about Ayurvedic. But the reality, Bonalata, one publisher in Guwahati, sell his book and he got the royalty 12 lakhs per annum. This is marketing. How you can marketize yourself? You have the potentiality, but the thing is that you have to marketize yourself. And to marketize yourself, you must have skill, you must have a train in hand, and you have a mindset. Don't blame your system. I am just repeatedly saying that don't blame your system. Every system has the potentiality to give something to the society. Suppose we have 10 lakhs of people in our society. Out of the 10 lakhs, if 3 lakhs have the faith on modern medicine system, automatically 3 lakhs people will be there who have faith on Ayurvedic system, and automatically 3 lakhs people will be there who have faith on homeopathy system. While you are studying homeopathy system and you are dealing with the 3 lakhs of people, don't think about those 3 lakhs of the modern medical system who have faith on the modern medical system. Everything is different. And you concentrate those people who have faith on your system. And you will find out if certain portion of the people, 30-40% of the people who have faith on your system. And don't try to find it out that 100% people have faith on my system. Don't expect it.
Man who has contributed lot to the chemistry, Dr. Samuel Christian Friedrich Hahnemann. There it is not written that he is a homeopath, but it is written that he is a chemist, and contributed, his greatest contribution was in 2 things. Many things were there, but 2 things. Number 1, purifying the mercury. Mercury was a medicine even in that time and even in this time also. In different systems of medicines, mercury is a medicine. Because to cauterize, that time medical science used to use mercury. But to obtain pure mercury, his contribution in that, how to obtain a pure mercury, and another thing, how to obtain the pure arsenic amalgam, because arsenic was also prevalent that time as one of the main ingredients of medical practice. Who has come to read homeopathy or Ayurveda or anything, any system of medicine, they should first believe on their system. They should first feel proud of their system. Then they should proceed. If you are not trustful to your system, if you cannot trust your system, you cannot be successful in your life. Definitely, as he has told, there are certain people. One of example is my daughter, who got at the same time admission in MBBS course and in BHMS course, because after 12th class she appeared in too many courses and he got selected in both. I asked, even in nursing also she got a chance and in first category. So I asked her, where to go? Will you go there or this or that? She told that I want to be a homeopath. And we have seen, due to her dedication, throughout the examinations in the university, she stood fast.